सत्तरवें कर्नाटक राज्योत्सव पर शिक्षा मंत्री मधु बंगारप्पा ने कहा, कन्नड़ राज्योत्सव कार्यक्रम में पहली बार बड़ी संख्या में सरकारी स्कूल के बच्चों ने हिस्सा लिया। मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री ने शिक्षा की क्वालिटी में सुधार देखा है, जिसका श्रेय उन्होंने अधिकारियों की कड़ी मेहनत और बेहतर शिक्षा प्रणाली को दिया है। हर बच्चे को तारीफ का सर्टिफिकेट मिला है, जिससे उनका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ा। हम माता पिता और स्कूलों के बीच कम्युनिकेशन बेहतर बनाने के लिए बाल दिवस पर एक बड़ी पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग का भी प्लान कर रहे हैं।
Quality improves. This is the kind of result what comes, and I think the whole credit goes to all my officers who have really worked very hard. From very short period it was, and we also came for personal inspection, everything. But on the whole, from morning till evening, they have pressurized the whole themselves, and then made children very comfortable also. And I'm very happy. Every child has been given with a certificate for participating. These are the things which gives confidence for the children for their future also. And we are starting a mega PTM in the country for the first time on Children's Day. Because in the government school and aided school, there is less communication between the parents and the school or the school system. So to bring in more closer, and we have taken a lot of steps for improvement and for educational steps for betterment of quality of education. So that has to be known to the parents also. Most of it, more than 50%, they don't know. It might be in food, teaching, or if they have any issues about their children, they can speak. With full meals, we are going to do, I think somewhere around about less than 2 crore people are going to participate of 60,000 children with their parents, teachers, and everybody. I have requested Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate that on 14th of November this month. I think we'll do that. And these are all very happy, and even KPS also. In the budget, 500 we had announced, but today we are very proud that we have already announced 800. Plus yesterday we took another decision, and day before yesterday, for getting another 100 out of minority department also. I think we are very proud, very happy also. Good facility and good quality education will be improved better than today and better tomorrow also.
In CM points in major, in Madarsa, the Kannada will be teaching in Madarsa.
It's very good, no? So I think these are all very good, because being a Kannadiga, I think that kind of we have to this thing, and very happy that minority department also has really taken consent about this, and then promoting our Matrubhasha in all levels. I think it's very good. We are very happy. Yeah, that has to be done not only here. I think that kind of a knowledge has to go to the children also. We old people have forgotten that. Children will do it very respectfully, and they will take it, and they have to be the ambassadors for these kind of things to preserve their future, for their future only, the nature for their future. Okay? Right.
Allegation is that the central government is not giving that much.
100% the kind of 11.5% taxes what we give. See, first they opposed GST. Now they reduced GST. Even a farmer to eat idli also they had put GST. Just by reducing the very few percent, very marginal percent, which will not affect anything financially for any farmers, they have boasted that that we have done so much. Diwali Dhamaka or something. That Diwali Dhamaka was happened when they have put GST for entire country. So the kind of collection what they do under GST, they have been very unfair in responding, in giving back the system back. We are not telling you have to give us completely. A part of major portion has to go to us, Tamil Nadu. We all are the major contributors in the country, and we respect other states also that they also need help. We are not saying, but sweat and blood is of Karnataka, Kannadigas, so we have to get our share. They have been very, very unfair and vindictively unfair, which we are not going to. And I think Honorable Chief Minister, whatever kind of steps he is going to take to fight back and get our money back for our betterment, I think we'll do that. But still, with all these guarantees, 99% guarantees given, we are still continue in all the development work also.